That camera can't see you, Thomas. What you doing, Thomas?
I'm a bit too fast.
Okay, what you going to do then? That's it. That's because I'm recording you now and you're worried about that, aren't you? Get it round. Come on, get the car round. Yeah?
Oh.
Forget that I'm recording you. Okay?
Well, that just makes me think about it more.
You forget that I'm recording you, okay? What should you be concentrating on?
Right.
Yeah? Controlling your car, yeah? End of the road then, Thomas. Turn left, please. Get your signal on again then. Is it safe? No. Why is it not safe? Let's see. Okay, is it safe both ways now? Can you tell me what's behind you?
Nothing.
Okay. Very, very softly up on the controls. That's it. Is that a little bit too hard there, do you reckon? So what do you need to do then to sort that out? Sorry? Bring it up slower, yeah?
What are you doing?
Okay.
Mr. Honda.
So that's right, keep yourself out away from that curb. Give yourself a bit more space.
Too early now.
Yeah, just a fraction too early, wasn't it?
Should we try and go in now?
We've gone down to the end of the road, and at the end of the road, you're going to turn right.
So that way?
That's it.
Oh yeah, put it on grass.
Don't signal too early. You've got a junction just before there, but you can still do everything else. The only thing you've got to delay there is your signal. Now you can signal. Get your car prepped. Which gear you're going to use there, Thomas? That's it. Okay, is it safe? And go to your side of the road.
I'm only putting in fraction of power on.
Speed control first.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Too fast. Take the next road on the right, please. Alright, slow down, slow down, slow down. Mirror check signal. Slow down, right down, right down, right down. Stop there, stop. Alright, first gear. Well, as you come round, okay, I want you to go round to the right and into this first junction. Okay? And park up. Park on the left. You're going to go up in between these two cars.
Yes.
Clutch. Okay, secure. Okay, that's it. Alright, okay, switch off there for a moment and rest. Okay. So, how do you feel about your driving now then?
Improving?
How would you know it's improving?
Because I'm getting better on the corners and everything like that.
How much instruction am I giving you?
Barely any.
So what does that mean to you?
Getting better.
Okay, what it means, okay, if I'm hardly giving you any instruction, Thomas, it means that you can drive a car.
Okay.
Yeah, what can you do?
Drive a car.
Yeah, how does that make you feel?
Quite good.
Name me 3 things, how it makes you feel about being able to drive.
In control of the car.
How does being in control of a car make you feel?
Yeah. Quite powered.
Yeah? Confident?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make you feel independent? What do I mean by that?
Like being able to do it on your own.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay.